Well, good afternoon, everyone. These are the observed highs around not only our region, but the entire state of Texas. And you can see pretty much everyone is in the oven here. We're looking at, highs. Look at that. New Orleans at 100. We're looking at Houston at 95, Dallas at 95. But in the next 5 days, Dallas is going to be looking at about 105 to 110. And I hate to tell you this, but this is only going to get worse because Sunday is when we expect the peak of the atmospheric pressure on top of us. These are the forecast highs for tomorrow. We stay, of course, in the upper 90s because we have all that humidity in the air, but Houston at 100, 110 in Laredo, 106 out in San Angelo, and this goes all the way to the West Coast. In fact, this particular heat wave, which I'm calling heat wave number 2, is 3 times larger than the last one that we survived. Because it is going to expand over much of the country. A few little clouds up in North Texas, a shower or two up here, but that's it. High pressure, of course, is circulating like this, so it's taking everything away from our area. And if I'm not doing this to make it feel worse. I'm just trying to inform you because we have to plan outdoor activities, plan outside. Keep people in mind that the heat wave now forecast from July 19th to the 25th. And you can see how Texas and much of the south central states is going to be under that big dome. And so this is a 2-week thing. In other words, you saw what you got today, 2 weeks of that. How about that? All right. So high pressure is the big bugaboo, and as long as it continues over the southwest, it diverts all the rain away from our area. Normally, this time of year, the desert southwest is looking for relief from the monsoon flow or the air coming up from the south, but this pressure system is so strong that it's not even allowing that. We have one little system out in the Atlantic, but that is moving away. That's Invest 92. And I just wanted to tell you, places like Cuba, Haiti, Puerto Rico, also at record highs. In Haiti, on the island, they reached 100 degrees. Now that's weird because this time of year, the trade winds blow very nicely and keep everything cool, but there's no wind, and that's what they're dealing with. Now, on the Pacific side, we have another storm. This one's going to be a good hurricane, but it is moving away from land, so not a problem. There's 2 others behind it that hopefully will continue moving offshore. Mostly cloudy in the morning down in Port Lavaca because of the cloud deck, but it burns off pretty rapidly, and we get up to a 94. As long as the breeze is blowing, it's relatively tolerable. Is when the breeze stops that you start really perspiring. A little cloud cover in the morning hours out in Cuero, but then they get up to 99 degrees as we continue with the oppressive heat. So once again, over this week, we'll stay at or about 100 degrees. The weekend looks like that's when the heat index is going to be rising. So whatever you had planned outdoors, try and take it inside, okay? Let's do the best you can. That's your 7-day forecast. I want to remind everybody that we do have a QR code. If you scan that,